everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, thank you. And Facebook Marketplace once in a while when I can. So today I did something I haven't done before. I went on Facebook Marketplace, found something that somebody was giving away for free, and went and picked it up. So I got this bag
number one.
And another garbage bag. We'll just hold this too big. Another big black garbage bag full of stuffed animal toys that she was giving away.
Bag number 4.
These little bags that are down here that I'm also going to show you guys are just things I bought at a thrift store that I went to today. First time I've ever been there. But let's stop talking and get into this video because I don't want it to be very long because I'm also cooking dinner.
So we're doing this video.
So I'm going to take one out of here. You're going to take one out of there. Ooh, is it a goat? Oh so. Man.
I told you one.
It's got a big hole. So that's the other thing. I got these for free. So I don't know what shape they're going to be in. So we'll see. This one here is very cute.
I'm not showing you guys this yet.
But it's got a big hole. So this will probably just be tossed out.
We got mommy in the bag.
Listen. This is the one that makes the noise. It's got something in here to make noise, but...
Just smacking the thing.
Oh well.
Alright,
hand me that.
No, I knew it. We got a mommy in the bag.
Okay.
We got a mommy.
So we got a big kangaroo. You see my daughter here? She's 10. Look at, that's how big it is. Now, on the back of it, now I don't know if, oh yeah, this shirt came with it. Dish hopper. Funny. Never seen it. So it's a big giant dish network.
I don't get it.
Kangaroo with another baby kangaroo.
I don't get the joke.
It's a dish network. I don't know exactly. I can't tell what brand this is at the moment, but it's super big, super cute.
Mom.
Looks to be in really good condition.
Mama.
What?
I'll give you a little hint.
What?
I think we got a lot of kangaroos.
Yeah, there's a few. This one looks like it's a little dirty there, so I'll try to spot treat it or put it in the washer and then not dry it.
I thought you were going to hit me with it.
All right, let's see. Here's another little one. This looks like a really weird looking alligator or crocodile or one of those.
I think
from Fiesta or whatever. So, yeah.
Hey Mama, if you really like that one, I think
okay, what you got, baby?
Fell out.
Bella, careful, don't knock over the stuff.
I can't. The baby fell
out. Another
out.
Kangaroo.
Wait.
Baby goes inside. This one doesn't have a shirt with it.
If you really like that one.
Yeah, it's Stephen Smith stuffed animals. I've never heard of it. But they're really super huge, so I'm hoping maybe I can get like 20 bucks out of each one at least. Here's another alligator from Fiesta. I know, there's at least 3 kangaroos. So that was her picture on the front of her ad was these 3 kangaroos. So that's all I knew for sure that I was getting. Everything else is a mystery. So another kangaroo, dish network. Looks like it's got like a little ink mark. Something there, so I'll have to try to get it out or disclose it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I can find something good in this bag. This little bag over here ain't been good.
Wait, we gotta get the one that doesn't have a shirt in the middle. So we have the one with the shirt.
Alright, this one's got nose tags.
Nose tags?
Nose tags.
Nose tags.
It's just a cute little giraffe. So his feet don't feel like it's got hardly any stuffing. As you can see, they're all wibbly wobbly.
Oh, thing smells good.
So we'll see. What you got? Aw. Just a nice pink unicorn.
With their little, wait, with their horn and fuzzy.
Yeah, I don't see a name brand on her. But she's cute. I should be able cute hearts on her feet. That's nice. So here is
another pony.
It's a My Little Pony pony.
My Little Pony.
Yep, it's My Little Pony brand 2013.
Flutterfly?
She would know, not me. So she says Flutterfly. I like the hair that's on it. It's not the normal ponytail hair. It's actually like ribbon. So that's nice.
You want to know how I know? Because the last time you didn't know the name. Yeah. And it was the exact
same
kind.
One? So this is Collective Goods. It is a...
Oh, I'm going to choke you to death. Sorry,
a
buddy.
little puppet, like a doggy puppet.
This is cool. This is cool. What was that?
What was this? Okay, that's enough. So yeah.
I don't like that thing.
He's
Well,
like,
what I got was
"Ooh, I like
better.
this." Yes, this is cute. This is from another one from Fiesta. Looks like this lady likes Fiesta. Nice like tie-dye teddy bear. So that's cool. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna pull one out. This one is a Trolls.
Another one. I got a better one.
A Trolls smushy thingy. So cool.
Oh, this is
What you got?
This is the main character from My Little Pony brother.
Oh, so this is like a little mini My Little Pony.
I can't think of her name.
That's cute.
I forgot his name.
Okay.
He's not really much in
This is
videos.
a Ream, made to love, made to hug. Little froggy.
I'm gonna eat their froggy.
Ooh, cool, I like this. So this
Looking
is
for
Hug
yourself.
Fun dinosaur. Decent size. It's got like the rib material on the front chest.
Oh my god.
So he looks cool.
Oh
my gosh. Ooh, oh my gosh.
I'm saving the best one for last.
Care Bear, big Care Bear.
I don't know her name, but I haven't watched Care Bear in
An
like
actual Care
5,000
Bear.
years. I'm 10.
Cool. I don't know which Care Bear this is either, but sweet. That's
I think
awesome.
friendship or something.
Maybe. This is some weird thing called
Flip it over.
Mr. Mittens.
Flip it over.
I will. We got Mr. Mittens. Two different kinds of cats on both sides.
I think mine's a ghost.
One's a ghost cat. It looks that way.
Oh, I don't
So we got this little caterpillar.
I'm gonna make a funny joke with this one.
That's cute. Okay, make a joke.
Lion King got turned into a truck.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, don't it? Man, this lady liked her Fiesta alligators. Here's the third one.
This is a little thing.
Okay, cool. Here is a Curious George thing.
Yes, I do have one.
Oh, is this Curious George like blimp?
Oh,
That's
this
I'm
is
thinking, like,
cute.
Curious George blimp.
This is cute. See, I got someone that says no or something. I don't know what that sign
it's
means.
peace signs.
Oh, peace.
Peace signs.
Is this what it means?
Yeah. Fiesta, little blue bear with peace signs. Oh, I see. Okay, look. Curious George. Supposed to somehow shove into his rocket.
Oh, did
Cool.
you know his...
His hat comes off. Cool. We're not gonna do all that right now.
Why not?
Because. What you got? You got another little tiny bear. Eh.
Oh, no.
Ooh, I got another My Little Pony. Which one is this, Belle?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie. She's cute. Ooh, I like that. What you got?
Oh, no. I never watched her.
That is creepy looking.
Oh!
Anybody knows who this is? Please let me know. I know it's from a kid's cartoon, but I don't know which kid's cartoon.
You have
So
you
if
have
you
a
know,
twin of yourself.
So if you
but
know
smaller.
who this is, please let me know. Oh, you got a smaller cutie pie?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, sorry. Pinkie Pie. But this one here doesn't have the ribbon hair. This one's got the funky hair. So
Oh, this is
this
soft.
one here may
Did
just
you get
be
this out? Did you get this
donated.
out? Did you get this out?
Yes, I got that out.
Oh, soft.
Except for, there may be a second one. So, and the last in my bag
I've seen the best
is
for
this
that.
little bunny.
I don't know what the best
The-
best for that.
This is too dark of a tag. I can't tell
Mom,
you
I
what
gotta
this
tell
is.
you, the last
Yeah.
thing I got is bigger than those.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is like a little puppy. I can't read what it says. It's like a little, might be like a little Valentine's puppy. Get that up soon for like
I got
$8. You got that? Here's a little turtle from, Finding Nemo.
Oh no! I don't think I can get this out. Now I have
me
to
help
rip
you?
more.
No, I can get it out. Holy cow.
That's big legs.
Okay, this is a big, these are like really heavy. So I don't know if she's supposed to be able to stand up, which I think she's supposed to be able to stand up.
Yeah.
Yep, she stands up.
You couldn't see though.
And I don't see a tag on her.
I'm bigger than her now.
Anywhere.
Well, I'm bigger than you now.
Yeah, so I don't see a tag anywhere on here, but that's cool. She's supposed to stand up. Well,
I thought she was
So-
bigger. I don't like that.
so this is now what I bought at the thrift store.
You pushed me over, man.
Got my way, dude. 2004 little Dillard's Christmas bear. So that's
The
cute.
heck is wrong with you? Why would you buy
This is a Russ monkey. Okay. Okay, no, guys, I'm so disappointed. I gotta figure out how to look at the camera.
I would
I'm
be
sorry.
too. I would be too.
No, you don't understand. You have no idea what this is. Okay,
No,
y'all.
but I don't like it.
I saw this. Anybody who is my age will know what this is. Okay.
What is it?
Thought I struck gold. Started looking up comps, looking about $30-$40, right?
It was not the original one, was it?
Fraggle Rock. So I thought it was a good find.
Thought it was
Got in my
gold.
car, started looking at some more, and the tag says 2019. Not vintage. New remake.
I can't get that.
So I was very disappointed. And this here, I really like this. I don't see a tag on it anywhere, but it's really heavy. He's very heavy. He'll stand. So he stands up straight. He has a basket. He's got a fishing pole with a lure on it. He has some more lures attached to himself. He's got a hat with some lures. He's got a pipe in his mouth. He's got a basket. I think it's a basket to his fish.
Okay, he's a scarecrow.
He's not a scarecrow. He's a
He's a
fishing
scarecrow.
bear. But I don't see any tags on him anywhere, so I have no idea what to list him as or how to list him. So I'm gonna have to do some more research. So any of you plush people know what he is? That's just the tag. The sales tag. Just the sales tag. What?
I thought.
Oh, you thought you saw something?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'll have to do some more research on this one and find out. I'm hoping
He got
it's
a little
one for about
belt.
30.
He got a little button belt.
Yeah, he's got a little button belt.
I think I know where
Well, that's everything, guys.
No.
I appreciate your time.
No.
Watching. What do you mean no? Oh, I forgot about him. Sorry.
I was being friend.
Him. Yeah, I don't know his name. I know he's from Dora the Explorer, but I don't know his name.
No, Dora
Oh, his
the
boots.
Explorer.
He just said on his tag. His
For
boots.
Dora, yeah, you can talk about the boots. Jeez. By the way, but Dora the Explorer, he's not blue, he's purple.
Not in the cartoon. Cartoon is blue.
I watch cartoons.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. I'm gonna get back to cooking some dinner for my family. I just do this part-time. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you know what either that purple doll was or anything about this dude here. So, I will talk to you guys all later.
Wait,
What?
the truck.
Okay, the truck. I know, the truck.
You
It
never
looks
said
like a
anything
lion.
about the truck.
Because I'm not going to sell this. It's just going to get donated or
Why not?
whatever. Because. All right, everybody. Have a great evening. Talk to you guys later. See ya.
Subscribe.